We saw a market today where volatility is abundant, and markets turned earlier today as reports came out of California that coronavirus cases seem to be nearing a peak, which obviously sparked some market sentiment. Also, we saw some Fed speak as Lael Brainard called for sustained large-scale asset purchases to help with the economy during the coronavirus pandemic. Tech has been under pressure the last few days. We saw that turn around a little today, well off their lows of the day. But the big story of the market really is bank earnings kicking off the earnings season. We got strong reports from JP Morgan and Citigroup. We get Goldman Sachs tomorrow. And so far, we're seeing some of these major banks socking away dollars to prepare for what may be a wave of bad loans coming later in the year. Biggest sector gainer today was the energy sector in the overall markets. Yesterday, ES option data, about 569,000 options traded, 59% on the put side. Volume leaders were the December 3,500 calls, 16,800 of those traded. Both the end of month October 3,200 calls and the end of month October 3,260 calls traded 10,000 contracts each, and the September 2,900 puts traded about 5,000 contracts. With this volatility in the marketplace, ES options are pricing in a move to the end of the week this week of about $68. Now, a new product launch here at the CME, and CME has done it again. So get ready, because pending regulatory review and regulatory approval, options on Micro E-mini S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 futures will begin to trade on Sunday night, August 30th. Now, as a quick review, since starting in May of 2019, the Micro E-mini equity futures have developed into a robust, liquid underlying futures market. And just some stats about these products: 300 million cumulative contracts have traded across all four indices. That's the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, the Russell 2000, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And daily average volume across those contracts, 1.67 million contracts in 2020 through the end of June.